Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your vintage Art Deco Helbros Mechanical Watch. So this is an circa 1950s manual winding mechanical watch made by Helbros. What you need to do in order to wind the watch is to rotate the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction, just like this. You can also hear the watch wind, and you can do this for around 10 to 20 times. Now, something very important, especially with vintage and antique mechanical watches, is that at some point you are going to feel a certain resistance. So this means that as you keep on winding the watch, you are going to feel a higher and higher resistance to your winding. So this means that you are actually getting closer and closer to the maximum threshold of windings that your mechanical watch is going to support. Make sure not to overcome that resistance, because you can actually break the watch and you are going to need a service. So once you start to feel a higher resistance, make sure to stop and just wear your watch. You can test to see how long those number of windings actually work for your watch, so how many hours your watch is going to run, and every, let's say, 24 hours you are going to actually need to wind the watch again. That was the video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this type of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.